how to completely uninstall Adobe Creative Cloud in your Windows 11. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. First things first, go to the search bar in your taskbar and then search for Adobe. And then once you find the Adobe Creative Cloud app, you can see the uninstall option in the bottom. You just need to tap on it and then it will take you to the settings on your Windows 11. So in the settings, search for Adobe Creative Cloud and then you just need to tap on it, tap on the three dots, go to uninstall. And you can see that this app and its related info will be uninstalled. Just confirm it by tapping on uninstall. And that's it. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.